It's early June, and I'm in Molino Canyon, and it's a super windy day. Unfortunately, a lot of people seem to use this area as a restroom. I catch a glimpse of something bright red out of the corner of my eye, and it is not this discarded sports drink. It's an Erythrina flabelliformis flower, also known as the coral bean. I'm feeling the indescribable rush of excitement that I only get when I'm seeing a flower in bloom out in the wild that I know about but have never seen before. The coral bean looks like a bunch of dead sticks for sometimes 9 months a year. And then in the spring, it explodes into these wild blossoms. After that, it leaves out and sometimes only has leaves for a few months out of the year. I call my friend Robert, who I know is also a big fan of the coral bean, and we decide to meet at the herbarium, which is like a library for plant specimens. As we walk in the lobby, we see a journal with the coral bean on the cover.
It's a species which, in the Sonoran Desert itself, is stunted or bonsaied by nature into little shrubs. And that as you go south becomes a real big tree found throughout the tropics of Mexico. Look at that. You shouldn't eat the beans because they're very toxic. There are some caterpillars that bore into the beans and eat them. Maybe somebody should study just how toxic these beans are. The Mexican name is chilicote, and this is an indigenous word. In other parts of Mexico, they're called colorín. When somebody's finished talking or when somebody's finished telling a story, they'll say, colorín colorado, este cuento se ha acabado. Little red bean, this story has ended. Colorín colorado, este cuento se ha acabado.